Sorry for interrupting whatever you guys were doing. I'm a startup founder and I'm desperate to hire software engineers from my company and my product. The problem is, in the era of the vibe coders, there are two types of engineers: vibe coders and senior software engineers. Now, the real problem is, how are you going to find the actual developer? Okay, I know it's really hard to find the actual developer which is going to work on your project. It can be a major project or a large scale of project, but how are you going to find an developer? Whether you are a CEO, CTO, or a founder, which you are trying to build your tech team, where the vibe coders use almost 80 to 90% of their code generated by an AI platforms, which even they are without even validating the security measures. In this era, every second engineer has a polished resume and their LinkedIn profile is full of buzzwords. How are you going to validate which developer profile is a valid profile or a legit? I'm Suhail Roushan. I have built something called Code.live, an AI platform which helps you to find an actual real developers by scanning their GitHub profiles. Okay, let's start a quick demo of the product. Code.live. Okay, find developers who actually code. Okay, so let's suppose I'm building a project or a product and I need a developers of my tech stack, and the product which I'm building is which needs a tech stack of let's suppose Next.js or React Native, okay, or TypeScript. Let's search. So I have already predefined things, or if you want you can search it. Okay, so let's suppose I need Next.js and MongoDB, and yeah, let's select React and TypeScript, and I want to search developers. Okay, so let's log in first. Yeah, we have login. We search for React and TypeScripts. Okay, let's search developers. As we can see that the platforms filtered out the three developers. Okay, so one is Code Crafters, one is Sindre Soras, and one is Kamran Ahmed. Okay, so let's suppose I like the contributions of Kamran Ahmed in a 96 pull request, which is a good, and I want to send him an email and I want to hire him. Okay, so I can view his profile from here. This is a complete profile of Kamran, which has too many stars in the developer roadmap and GitHub stand-up, Git stand-up, Pennywise. I like him. So how do I hire him? Okay, how do I contact with him? So what I can do is, so I can just directly click on send email. You can see that I can directly contact with the Kamran by sending an email. Okay, so now I have two options. Either I can write that or I can generate it with an AI. So let's generate it with an AI. So you can see that AI has generated the email template for me. I can directly click on send. As you can see that email has been sent successfully, and now I can fire more developers. So stop hiring developers by their resumes and start hiring them from our platform Code.live.